good, everybody? It's your boy CDG, and we're gonna go ahead and live trade New York session today. Now, it's kind of interesting because at 8:30 there was unemployment news. So in the Discord, I did go ahead and call out these cells that we were able to manage our positions or manage our way into. Right, playing off of this 15-minute OB, then start to play out. A lot of people did get stopped out on break even overnight since this kind of retraced really late London session, early New York session around 6, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard. But I still am currently in one position on GU. Can I show this? Right, cells, GU, whatever. Right, so I currently am in this position. And I'm still in this gold position buys from earlier this week on Monday. So honestly, this New York session, I'm not really looking for any kind of trades. If anything, I'm just kind of looking to manage these positions that I found myself in. But with that being said, a little pre-New York analysis. I did see how 8:30 boom 8:30 candle, yeah. I did see how Euro was able to come in, sweep some internal liquidity, and then now push to the downside, breaking structure. A classic sweep of liquidity, raid and run is what I've actually heard someone call, and I like it, right? Or if anything, a sweep and then a market structure shift, right? From a high to a low to a lower high. Market then shifted from retracement into expansion, right? New low. So I am currently interested to see if we can find our way back into here. Delete my alert because I'm just going to go ahead and set a pending order. And let me find TP. I want to find always want to find an OB, or this one down here has always caught my eye. I've been looking at this zone for a little bit now. 30 minutes. We could just play it into the. That's just a wick. Yeah, let's just play into the 1 hour OB. So it's almost a 6-1 pending, and I do like this. There's a 1 hour. I do like this just because there is a 1 hour institutional candle that was formed right before the market ran up, wicked, so internal liquidity, and then shifted back down. So I'm gonna go ahead and then call this out to the private group, Discord down below. I'm currently debating on. No, it's fine. This is the same candle. So I was debating. I'm actually going to set this up on my MetaTrader. I was debating on which candle to take, either the 15 or 30-minute body, but yeah, as you guys saw, it was literally the same candle. Cool. And now let's look at. So I set my pending order on EU on all my accounts. I do like this trade. What's going on? Indices. I know we were bullish playing off of news. Didn't really come into a higher area of interest that I would like. Yeah, honestly, it's always so interesting because if indices are moving, then I won't look at forex. But if forex is moving or setting up more clean, I'll then just look at forex and then forget about indices. But for a good reason, because I don't like any of this. I guess here would have been the most optimal move for my trading plan, but yeah. When was this? Tuesday, like 4 o'clock. Yeah, no, I'm okay. I am okay. What's GU doing? Might have retracement to the upside. Gold's still moving, so I'm so glad I held through everything. So it's kind of interesting because I want GU or EU, sorry, to continue dropping up to a certain point, and then I'll be looking for buys back up and around this area. This correlates with dollar so well because, as you guys know, if dollar or the DXY, the instrument that measures the dollar, if that runs higher, then that means EU would then go lower, right? So it's kind of interesting because since I want EU to drop up into a certain point and then reverse, I actually want the dollar to run up into a certain point before then dropping, which would be around this area here. Take out some equal highs. Yeah, this chart was a little more cleaner. Yeah, literally. Take out these equal highs here. Really, I just see liquidity being built up here. So if we can get dollar continue going higher for the day, and then get some distribution schematic back to the downside, that would be pretty fire. And that's exactly what I'm actually looking for. So as this runs up, I'm gonna continue to sell GU and EU, and then as this looks to reverse and then pivot, or pivot and then reverse, I would then look to either close out my EU GU or just take the opposite way. But gold holding strong. Gold is holding strong. Can I show you guys? Oh, right. It's currently in this position right there. So, still hodling. Still hodling. Honestly, still just managing GU, waiting for EU, which we have news in 5 minutes. So, I don't know if we're going to get a spike back up into entry and then drop back down. That would be ideal. But it's just looking like a continuation kind of day. So, if anything, I'll just delete my pending orders on my pending orders on EU. Manage GU, which we still have some room to drop. Yeah, because I'm looking to take GU to the weekly level. Let me zoom in. Right, so we got in GU on this wick. So I do want to see price just retrace very minorly on the weekly. Maybe start to fill in some of this internal gap, right? And really because I love to play bodies on candles. I do want to see it just TP at the weekly weekly body, which kind of ends up being this candle here. So we get rid of all the noise, right? We could come down, maybe sweep some internal liquidity, right? If this is the range, low to high, internal low to higher high, right? This wasn't really too much of a retracement. It's kind of a run up, pullback, expansion. So I do want to see price still come and fulfill this imbalance we have here, right, within this candle. So I think this would be a good point. Just a TP, secure the bag, and drop. Well, we should aim a little more. No, I'll partial again. So I'll only partial once. What you guys said. Yeah. I'm a partial again here. So whenever I enter into a position, I do look to partial at a 3-to-1. I partial a third of my position just because at that point you get what you risk, right? So I'm securing my risk, leaving, literally getting my money back, and then now just letting the profits run to live and trade another day, right? So at the next point, I'll then just look at market structure. Now, granted, if I partial a third, that means I only have 2/3 left. So that means I can only partial. Well, I can only secure the bag 3 times, right? 2 partials and then just close out completely because at that point. So I then just look at, okay, where can market structure run to and do what it do. So we have here. Actually, this is a really good point. I'm gonna add another alert here. Just because I want to see how price comes into here based off of news. If we're just dropping, I don't think I'll partial, right? If we're just going to drop right through. But if price goes head into here, starts to play around a little bit, then I'll just secure a partial there and then probably just look at TP here. That's fine, right? At the end of the day, you don't need, You don't need the greatest R&R. You need consistently compounded R&Rs. That's the biggest thing. Like, you don't need to pass a trading account. You don't need to flip your account. You don't need to make 10,000, 100,000, $1 million in one trade. The art of trading is literally just compounding your results over a period of time. So 48 seconds till news opens. Till news. So let's see. And then we're gonna go ahead. Dink, 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 dink. Gonna look at gold too, so we can just see what it do. Because I am curious to see if it's gonna play off of a sell, off of this 1 hour candle here. So pretty much like respecting this red or this candle right here. Between this red lines, right? Since that wick up does look like a sweep of liquidity. Yeah, so we're playing this as 15-minute now. Oh, nose. Shit. All right. He was not coming back. G's tanking. Gold's tanking. Within the zone that I wanted to sell from. Well, not sell from. I wanted to see if it plays out. Drops. I might close gold, actually. Yeah, I don't think he's coming back. I'm going to delete that pending. Yeah, gold's dropping from there. That's crazy. I could have played that. Meh, it's okay. So the reason I didn't really force my way into this wasn't really a force. It was an area interest. Because what I saw here is we still had like this internal liquidity being built up. So I was curious to see how price can come after this drop, right? Builds up liquidity, drops again. I wanted to see us come back up and over this, play back into that OB, and then drop. That would have been the preferred movement of the market. But it's okay. You always get what you want. The market gives you what you get. All right. I think I'm done. Pretty much done for the day. So now I'm just going to literally look to manage GU. Oh, yeah. I think I'll still just record, do it live, and talk it through. Currently floating, though. Oh, yeah. 30 minutes. Currently floating. So, be in there. We're in there. All right, back to YouTube. This episode is brought to you by Jax. Jax is a good boy. He's a loving boy. Okay, hi. I'm trying to talk, bro. He's a loving boy who likes to go on walks, cuddles, a lot of cuddles, and kisses. Right? You're such a good boy. All right. Oh, I gotta feed you breakfast. Oh shit. All right, BRB. I'm gonna feed him breakfast. It's literally about to hit. Yo.
What it do, baby boy?
What it be, my guy?
Fucking just having, an average morning, I guess.
Nah, aren't we all?
Got that minus 1% right back today.
Hey, and some, cause that shit's still running, huh?
Yeah, no, I was up 10 bands at one point, but I'm holding.
Oh. Oh yeah, that's right. You have a 200K. I was like, nigga, what kind you got? That's right, two hundo.
I didn't even over leverage, bro.
That's crazy. You should have.
I should have.
The one time you don't.
All in there.
The one time you don't.
Well, I don't know if I did or didn't because I don't know how to count pips. So
This nigga. Well, how much did you mean to risk?
like 1,000.
Man, so like a 10-1. It ran to if you risk properly.
Yeah, I guess it did. Well, I guess I risked pretty properly.
Oh yeah, that's what it's all about.
I scaled in.
Listen.
I want that DXY to smack those equal highs and go into the imbalance.
Bro, that's what I'm aiming for too. High key, so I'm holding GU still, and like, there's literally 3 areas where I wanted to like run into that I could just TP at and then reverse from. So that's what I'm just like, do I trust the DXY or do I trust 15-minute?
Yeah,
A true 15-minute. You talking about like 104.453?
yeah.
Oh, yeah. For sure.
Oh no, even a little bit higher.
Oh, like above those equal highs.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, for sure. It's one of those, because there's a 1 hour POI too, but yeah, you're right. Set up some equal highs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's going to clear up his equal highs for sure.
Nigga said, yeah. That's a nigga who had to think about it, didn't understand, but agreed. I like that.
For sure.
For sure. 4 score and 7 whores more. Yeah, because EU, niggas are about to start buying EU on that 1 hour OB.
Nah, they both get smoked.
No, swear. That's what I said, but I feel bad. Yeah,
GU's going crazy.
Yeah, Jay's going stupid. And literally, I had 6 positions in total between all of them. And motherfucker, only 1 survived.
Yeah, you got smacked out earlier.
Yeah, well, B, you know? Follow the rules and all that, but maybe it's time to change the rules.
With Forex, you just gotta leave it. Give it room.
That's the fucking issue. I can't handle that.
Yeah, EU. No, everything's just like they're hunting for something.
That's actually very true. That's a good way of looking at it. What are they hunting, and how can we be a part of it?
We are a part of it, bro. Fucking, we're in there.
No, literally now. But I'm saying like before the move happens, when you're like setting up a trade. Yeah.
I'm looking at USD
Bro, I gave up on that thing. If you're, oh shit, she's running though. You got him good.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got him real good.
But I could just swing this bitch.
No, honestly, I would, bro. Like, the best thing I've been like noticing lately is when you're in one like phenomenal fucking trade, don't trade against it. Like, don't open other positions because that one's still running. Like, let that run to its full potential, especially when there's such blatant evidence with you, Chef, how like those equal highs alone should be, tapped into. So like
the equal highs, and then there's like a 15-minute imbalance at the same place the DXY is, like 89660.
Yeah, no, literally, bro. So you have all this fucking evidence for it to run. Like, just leave it. Like, that's the boring thing about trading. Once you're in place phenomenally, like, there's nothing more to do besides just let it run.
Yeah, I just got
Yeah.
Somebody fucking messaging me on Facebook. What do you want, bitch?
What the fuck do they want, Miguel?
Oh, it's like my cousin. Never mind.
No, that's so funny. What the fuck does he want?
No, it's a girl named Melissa. I was like, yo, what the fuck?
Who the fuck? She sounds hot. Is she?
No, she's old. She's like, I don't even know if she's my cousin. She's like my dad's side of the family. So.
Oh,
like,
good.
Close, close family.
So you could fuck her without it being weird.
Well, it'd be weird for Maggie.
Yeah. That's right. I forgot you actually have a girl.
Yeah, I'm like fucking married at this point, dog.
Keep dropping, GU. Go, go, go.
No,
Man.
I'm floating 6K in profit, and I already closed out 2K.
Damn.
It hasn't even like
It hasn't even
hasn't
moved.
hit TP2 yet.
Hasn't moved just yet.
It's been fucking moving, I'll tell you that.
Nah, swear.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can hold this shit all the way to the top. I looked at like the daily and stuff, and it's like there's no reason it doesn't just like go higher.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Gotta trust
Dude, like
your analysis.
broke structure. I played into that POI, filled the amounts, and I was just gonna go higher.
Better.
I can hold this shit for days.
And I am fucking hungry.
Yeah, low key, I was like, I'm gonna get up early, meditate, start reading my book, blah blah blah. Not a fucking chance.
Oh, that boy slept in today.
I rolled out of bed. My alert was going off for you, chef. And I'm like, all right, well, we'll see what happens.
Like, oh shit! All right, I'm awake. That's funny.
I was like, we'll just see what happens. I'm gonna watch Netflix.
Oh, yo, what's good, family? Sorry, I was on the phone with Mike. So I did go ahead and just partial here, mainly because I know I was going on. I went on a whole rant about this, but then I realized like my TP is right here. POI, just secure the partial, helps your head. What's going on, family? I realized I didn't make an outro for this, so we're gonna do it while I was editing it. I ended up this trade after it went ahead and hit that 1 hour OP or POI. I saw it kind of retrace strongly off of there. Then I just didn't like the correlation between the DXY, EU, and GU. So I went ahead and just closed down my trade there. So trade did run for about a 3-1 partial, 7.5 to 1 partial, but then before finally closing out at about 4-5 to 1 partial. So all I given said about 6 R&R, I guess 5.5 R&R total. This trade did play out, and I'll go ahead and put the screenshot somewhere like there on the screen for you guys, where you showed me my entry and my two partials. But yeah, all in all, a solid trade. Was very happy with this. Very glad I held through the news, and glad I closed out when I did, because after that, market just literally reversed from said POI. So it's always good to just mark out key areas of interest. Parse from there, acknowledge it, and don't be married to a bias. If I would have, because if I would have tried to hold my cells all the way to ideal TP, I never would have gotten, the bag secured here. I would have just broke even all the way up here, losing some gains along the way. So, what it is what it is. Happy and grateful for this trade. And yeah, if you guys like, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and see y'all Wednesday nights live and in person. Peace.